In the realm of industrial automation, the integration of advanced cloud-based manufacturing execution systems, or MES, has become increasingly vital. These systems facilitate real-time monitoring and control of production processes, enabling manufacturers to optimize their operations more effectively. The cloud-based approach allows for greater flexibility and scalability, accommodating the dynamic needs of modern production environments. Imagine a major pizza chain adopting a state-of-the-art Cloud MES solution. By doing so, they were able to address critical operational challenges and achieve substantial improvements in their manufacturing workflow. This leads us to the core benefits of such a transformation. Centralizing data management ensures that all production data is readily accessible, allowing for better decision-making and process optimization. Manufacturers can track production metrics, identify bottlenecks, and implement corrective actions in a timely manner. But there's more to this story, especially when we consider the role of programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, in this equation. Imagine a system where every aspect of pizza production is meticulously tracked and optimized in real time. This is the power of Cloud MES. By leveraging cloud technology, manufacturers can centralize their production data, making it accessible from anywhere. This means that whether you're in the factory or halfway across the world, you have complete visibility and control over the production process. The Cloud MES allows for dynamic scaling, accommodating fluctuations in demand without missing a beat. It's like having a responsive, ever-adapting production line that ensures consistency and efficiency. And here's why that matters: with Cloud MES, you can quickly identify bottlenecks, optimize workflows, and make data-driven decisions that enhance product quality and reduce waste. To start configuring PLCs for pizza production, first, you need to understand the architecture. Imagine the PLC as the brain of your pizza production line. It communicates with various sensors and actuators to ensure every step, from mixing dough to baking, is executed precisely. Begin by setting up the communication parameters. Use RS-232 for serial communication or Ethernet for more complex setups. Ensure your baud rate is set to 19,200 for reliable data transfer. Next, configure the I/O modules. Assign each sensor and actuator to specific digital and analog inputs and outputs. For instance, set the temperature sensor to analog input 1 and the conveyor belt motor to digital output 2. Remember, accurate I/O mapping is crucial for seamless operation. Now, let's dive into programming the PLC. Use ladder logic to create sequences for each production stage. For example, when the dough mixing is complete, the PLC should signal the conveyor belt to start. This ensures a smooth transition between stages. Anticipate potential issues like sensor malfunctions by implementing error handling routines. If a sensor fails, the PLC should trigger an alarm and halt the production line to prevent defects. This meticulous initial setup is the foundation for consistent, high-quality pizza production. And here's why that matters. PLC programming is the backbone of our cloud-based manufacturing execution system. To achieve precise control over pizza production, we use Siemens TIA Portal to program our PLCs. First, you'll need to create a new project in TIA Portal. Then, configure the hardware by adding your PLC model. Next, develop your program using the ladder logic or function block diagram. For instance, set the mixing time to 300 seconds and the kneading pressure to 50 pounds per square inch. Once your program is ready, download it to the PLC. Remember to test each function block individually before full integration. This ensures each process, from mixing to baking, runs flawlessly. And there's more. By maintaining this meticulous approach, you'll achieve unparalleled consistency in every batch of dough. Let's delve into the advanced methods for PLC integration that ensure seamless operation within our cloud-based manufacturing execution system. To achieve optimal integration, start by configuring your PLC using the TIA portal. Set the communication parameters to match your network settings. Ensure the baud rate is set to 19,200 for reliable data transfer. Next, Program the PLC to interface with the Cloud MES by defining the data points you wish to monitor and control. Use the DB blocks for data storage and OB1 for the main program loop. Implement error handling by setting up interrupt routines in OB35 to manage any anomalies. For real-time monitoring, utilize the S7-1500 series PLCs, which offer built-in web server capabilities. This allows you to access the PLC data via a web browser, enabling remote diagnostics and troubleshooting. Remember, the key to successful PLC integration lies in meticulous configuration and robust error handling. As we conclude, let's address some common pitfalls you might encounter when integrating cloud-based manufacturing execution systems into your pizza production. One frequent issue is underestimating the importance of data synchronization. Ensure your Cloud MES is always in sync with your PLCs to avoid production delays. Another challenge is network latency, which can affect real-time monitoring. Opt for a robust network infrastructure to mitigate this. Remember, the key to mastery lies in meticulous planning and continuous optimization. Keep your systems updated and regularly review your processes for any inefficiencies. By doing so, you'll not only enhance your production capabilities but also ensure consistent product quality. This is the kind of in-depth knowledge we provide for free, so consider subscribing to stay ahead in your automation journey.